If you're looking to generate Google review links to send to your clients so you can get more reviews, today I'm going to show you not one, but two ways to do it, because occasionally one of them doesn't work for you. So let's go through both of them right now. Hey, what's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you've had figure out my social media or digital marketing on your to-do list for who knows how long, but you keep shoving it down because you're overwhelmed, you're running a business, you don't know where to start, you're in a great place. Every week we put out a quick video to teach you a different piece of a digital marketing strategy. So if that sounds like something that you could benefit from, go ahead and take a second, hit subscribe on this video, and that way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Oh, click the bell too. That way you'll definitely be notified whenever we put out a new weekly video. My name is Jerry Potter. Would love to connect with you on other social channels here. And today we're talking about generating Google review links. If you want to generate a Google review link to send out to clients or customers so they can leave you a review, you make it easy as possible. Here's two ways that you can do it. And the reason I'm showing you two different ways is I've had some people say, oh, well, this way didn't work for me, but this one did. So let's get into it.
Now, even though I'm going to show you two ways, I strongly suggest you use the second method, because the first way doesn't work as well in some browsers, and I've seen it completely fail on mobile devices. And I'll show you what I mean by that, but I'll show you both just in case. The first one is the easier of the two ways. You're going to go to Google or anywhere that you can search Google, and you are going to search for the name of your business. So I search for the name of my business. This comes up. This automatically comes up over here on the right because I've registered my business with Google Business. Hopefully you've already done that. If not, I've got a video on how to do that in the description of this video. But I'm going to come down and I'm going to say write a review. And this pops up for me to be able to write a review. Then I go back to the top of my browser bar. It's got this super long address, but I just want to copy that. And then, of course, I'm going to want to put it into some sort of link shortener before you send it out to a client. But that way, theoretically, if they click on it, it will automatically, let me bring up an incognito window here. They put in that link, they click on it, it automatically populates with the ability to leave the rating. Google used to let it pre-populate where it had 5 stars and then they had to change it, which was really cool, but they wised up and that is no longer available. So that's the first way. The second way is more complex, but I think you'll find that it will work well in more places. This method, where the box pops up, doesn't work well on mobile devices where a lot of people do check their email, and it doesn't work well sometimes in other browsers other than Chrome. So instead of getting the pop-up box, they would basically just get this Google search result. Then they'd have to come down here, find write a review, which again on a mobile device is not going to be as easy to spot. So let's learn the other method. What you're going to do is you're going to look up the place ID for your business. So I'll put this link in the description of this video, but you go here and then you're going to do the same thing. Type in the name of your business. It should hopefully come up in the list. Click on it. Now, if you look down here, it says place ID, and then it has this big, long, crazy thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this link that they gave us here. I'm going to copy that, put it in the address bar. Then I'm going to come down here and copy my place ID, and then I'm going to put that here at the end in place of where it says place ID. Now that becomes my review link. Ta-da! Pops up with the box, also works on mobile. So use that method. You'll find both of those links in the description of this video.
Getting those reviews is important. Not only does it give your brand social proof, basically credibility for other potential clients and customers, but getting Google reviews actually helps you in Google search results. If you have a lot of reviews, and especially positive reviews, they see that as a, hey, I should show this brand to more people, because obviously people like this brand. So get those reviews. If you have trouble getting reviews from customers, I do have a quick video, 3 ways to get more reviews from your customers and clients. So that's linked up here, or you can get it in the description of this video. And otherwise, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you got something out of this video, give it a like, hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me at 5-Minute Social Media, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.